The Biocement project looked into the possibility to harness local resources, such as water, wind, and sand, and involved the urban society fabric of Liver Oasis in United Arab Emirates. It is a research project that focuses on geomorphologic transformation. This trend inspired Biocement Lab to take local resources, such as sand and algae, to produce cancelated sand called biocement. The lab proposes it as a local material for self-construction in Liver Oasis. Research begins with analog and digital simulation experiment. The first category is exploring the relation between binder deposition parameters and dunes morphologies. Synthesized sand dunes were introduced in the second digital simulation, and geomorphology information extract from the site were also imported to the second analog experiment in order to specify the analog and digital simulation. Wind parameters were introduced in next category. The same as the last simulation category, it starts by digital simulation based on abstract parameters, and set up wind tunnel to provide single direction wind for the physical analog. Wind's influence towards sand dunes were further explored by tracing the movement of sand dunes on the site of Liver. The analog experiment using column mark record the process of sand dunes morphology transformation. Moreover, erosion phenomenon by wind inspired the next simulation of the fabric exploration. Digital simulation explains the process of erosion on abstract sand-based material. 3D print technology is the main application method that combined all the basic elements from previous explorations. Digital model was built upon sand dunes morphologies. Toolpath that from the digital model is translated into the UR robot. The model is built by printing binder on sand layer by layer. Next, we introduce a drone as the territorial machine prototype, encoding drones with the function of sensor the territory, connection between drone and end effector, and so on. The urban protocol that based on the territorial machine is composed with two aspects, flying pattern and injection pattern. Firstly, the drone will fly as roads to sensor the terrain and choose the windward area to inject binders. The binders will flow down along the sand dune slopes. Besides, drones can also get the data map of sand dune boundary and wind distribution on site. During the injection, binder's concentration area will influence by the wind distribution. Another part of the urban protocol that based on the interactive website is also composed with two aspects, voting or drawing the construction area. Finally, according to the fish pond location within the site, drones fly in 500 meters square to sensor the terrain and inject binder. Then the binder flow along the sand dune slopes. To show the most specific structure, we ran the detailed simulation on the sample site that had been chosen, using the 3 injection method and reconstructing the detailed part of the territorial morphology.